And here we have Big Boost in his natural habitat.
Natural habitat. I'm cleaning because I like to have a clean shop when my coworkers are getting it dirty.
I'm sorry, I suck at the lighting. Just now I didn't see your face. Now I can.
You're already fired from recording.
I'm the best cameraman ever.
Are you?
Yes.
So it's gonna be the best video I ever had on YouTube now?
Ever, because of me.
Alright guys, if you like the video,
Oh God.
that means Navo did a good job. If you dislike the video, it means he did a horrible job.
Can you see my face?
Yes. You know you can flip the screen so you can see yourself, right?
Oh, I didn't know that. Do I look pretty?
No.
How do you know when it started?
Because there's a red light right there.
Yeah. It's just so big and bulky. How do I know if it's shooting in 4K?
I'm not recording in 4K, I'm recording 1080p.
Why?
Because my computer can't handle 4K, and like 99%
It sounds
of
like you made a mistake in buying
don't
this
have
camera
a 4K TV to view it on 4K.
I'm just saying.
Oh, I wanted.
Why would I want to see this piece in 4K? It's gonna turn into a bigger piece of because it's just that much more resolution.
Well, without 4K, you can't see the bad details on it.
Big Boost trying to do his shifter and his Hydra E-brake. Big Boost installing his E-brake, his Hydra E-brake, and his shifter.
Yeah. I gotta take all this stuff out so I can get to the good stuff. I gotta get this off. Alright, let me get a Phillips screwdriver. What is all that stuff? What is that? It's like a little speaker thing?
You know, say.
Taking on all the body panels of this thing to make it into a race car. Because race car.
It's supposed to be a daily.
It's not gonna be a daily now.
We don't do race cars around here.
Oh, oops, I forgot to take this off.
Wrong
Is that
size.
like stripped?
No, you did the wrong size.
It is stripped. Look.
Told you it was the wrong size.
Well, it was the right size, but it was a 12 point instead of a 6 point. So it does the thing that the 6 point does in the 12 point thing. You know what I'm talking about?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, neither do I. This cable is in the way now. Who put this?
Get it! Don't fall though. Where is it?
Keep stretching.
Yeah, it's just stretching. Use the Big Boost. Oh God!
It looks like a snake now.
It's coiling.
Yeah, that cable's across the whole car. You're supposed to put that underneath the carpet. Here, there you go. All this stuff.
It's too much stuff. Hey, why don't you get your aftershave and your
That is not
scent
mine.
things
That's the
out of
previous
there?
owner's thing.
Don't blame the
Why
previous
is
owner.
my ceiling blue? I don't want my ceiling to be blue.
What you said about AC?
Nothing. I don't fit in this car. I'm too big.
Well, I'll take it then.
What's all these stupid things?
Alright, take it out, Alberto.
It's coming off. Is there another bolt? There is another bolt.
You gotta get all the bolts first. How's it going, Alberto?
Cramped. They cut everything. There's a whole bunch of plugs cut in there. Now I gotta figure out how they go. I gotta figure out how to make the dash lights work because I want my dash lights to work. So if I launch the car, I do.
Yeah. Can we take that out?
Oh shit.
It's stuck?
I clicked it in.
Well, now when you launch it, it won't fall out.
I was gonna replace this radio with another radio that I got.
We don't need a radio, it's a race car.
Have you seen the trunk?
What's in the trunk?
Have you seen the trunk? Go look at the trunk.
Okay. Okay. But this is weight, you don't need all of this.
Now I need to make a plate that goes over this section and also goes over to the side, so I can keep it from doing this or wobbling so to the side, so it's like an L. Then I'll put the shifter on that and the Ebrake on next to it, like on this side of this car. The second one, I need a razor blade to cut some of this insulation off.
Weight reduction, right?
Look at all these wires.
Ouch.
Why does this thing have so many wires now?
Because it's a BMW.
Too many wires here. I don't need all this stuff. I love all this stuff. God, meet you.
Let's rip it all out.
It's really in there. Alright, you get back in there. Alright, you can stay. Stay too hard to get off.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Oh no, but this will hit here.
You don't need that, just take it out.
But I want to have both E-brakes working.
Alright, what's the plan?
So that's where I want to put the E-brake. That's reverse right there. And that's like the farthest it's gonna go. That way it doesn't interfere. I'm never gonna drift in reverse anyways. So first gear is right there. Which I'm first. Second, I can pull the E-brake easily. Third gear is all the way over there, which is gonna be my most used gear. And it's like letter shift, E-brake right there. Fourth gear, fifth, neutral again. So first is here. 10 inches long, 6 inches wide. Then the depth of this.
Bracket time.
What's up?
What's up? Why you got that in my face, man? I'm hungry.
Well, let's eat. What do you want to
We
eat?
should go eat in a little bit. What do you want to eat?
I'm used to. I'm not used to this recording stuff, so bear with me. I'm trying.
Well, the more you know, Navo. No, Navo's gonna be my photographer or video man for the day. I'm training him, so it's like taking baby steps at this.
I'm the best video man ever.
Are you now? We'll see about that.
Yes. Oh look, it's drift happy.
It's a Marco.
It's a Marco. It's a drift happy. Let's walk him. Let's walk him. Oh, by the way, we're in Mexico. Let's race. All right, put it in.
I'm passing him at 45 miles per
Look
hour.
at this guy.
What are you doing?
He's like weaving.
That's how you. That's you keep hitting your cars against your friend's car.
Yes. I thought you was going home, Marco.
I changed my mind.
You change your mind, huh? Big Boost in his natural habitat. Building stuff.
Let I have that there.
That shifter's too big, bro. You're gonna break your knuckles on the radio. You're gonna change the radio station every time you shift. You don't need it that long, bro.
It only goes to like here.
It's not the size that matters, it's how you use it. The shifting. Sure that plate's not gonna flex being aluminum?
I gotta do a little tap to the bottom and bolt it from the side. So it's like an L.
Why did you make it out of steel and weld it?
I don't have steel laying around, I have aluminum.
I said the same thing. How do you break that?
On my phone, on Facebook, sitting down.
That's right.
All day, every day. That's what I do.
Me too.
While Alberto does all of them.
He's there working.
I need a whip from here. Like, keep working! Keep working!
You hear that?
Oh, yeah. Don't be throwing stuff at me. Why are you... Oh.
Where did it go?
Give me in the face.
Donde?
In the face. What?
In the
Why are you
face.
throwing me pieces of your car? There's not going to be anything left.
Oh my god, you saw him drooling? You saw that? Oh,
Look, I dented it. That's how hard that is. It dented your car. Look at the door. Not like it didn't have 5 dents before.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey. This is your daily. Stop doing that. So what are you doing?
I'm gonna drill a hole in you. Oh, my drill's broken.
Looking good, Big Boost.
What are you looking for?
Bolts.
Why?
I'm looking for
Why? You can't hold your own nuts?
because I'm doing stuff.
So it's all bolt on, and it's an aluminum plate. Oh, look at it. It fits really good in there.
Yeah, once I tighten that, I'll just center it. But I need one of you guys.
Is that a sensor? What is that?
What?
What is this? Oh, the shifter.
There's a bushing for the stuff.
Yeah.
I taught him.
Oh, hey, don't squish me. What?
I taught him well.
What'd you teach him?
Everything he knows.
Thinking about messing up my chair, right?
Hey, why does this camera have a broken screen already?
Adam dropped it.
Oh.
That's Adam's camera.
Alright, so what's the plan?
Stupid thing.
That stupid thing is the plan?
Yep.
Hey Marco.
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Hey, I'm filming. Why are you filming?
I'm doing the same thing.
No, I'm filming.
Yeah.
This is my footage. Bro, this is my footage.
It's ours.
Other people took it off. That's not a normal shift, that's not me.
Stop playing with this thing.
This thing is too hard of a process.
Yo, shift, Navo. Shift.
Oh, wait!
I want to do
Do a third gear
Alright,
pull real
now
quick.
do one of the front ones.
the right.
Look at this tiny transmission. It's like the size of my arm. Shorter than my arm.
Okay.
What else?
That is so tiny. How does that even hold power?
Put the shift nut on.
The knob
Yeah, just screw it in all the way.
all the way?
Yes. All the way in. A needle nose plier.
Hey Marco.
What's up, man?
What are you doing?
Hey, I'm filming. Why are you filming?
I'm doing the same thing.
No, I'm filming.
Yeah.
This is my footage. Bro, this is my footage.
It's ours.
Bro, can you get that long ass shifter in already? This giant mirror.
It's JDM.
Why is your thing blue?
It's Smurf.
Someone did that?
Yeah. The little
weird.
blue things are called Smurfs, right?
Yes. Yeah. The shifter's possessed.
He's bringing out heavy.
Oh my god, the shifter's possessed. This is hilarious. Oh my god. Oh, you hit the e-brake. What? I'm not doing anything. You're the one playing with it.
No, it doesn't go anywhere.
Maybe it's not supposed to come apart. Maybe it's pressed in. Ah! Dang, you're gonna cut all this off of
That's
it?
too much, right?
No, that's perfect. Just do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
too much.
Because he's
already
welding
measured.
this back on, so it'll be
Yeah,
like
no.
this high.
Plus
and then the shifter, so it'll be like here. That's good.
Maybe you guys are right.
Oh, this will get real messy.
Is it solid? It's solid. Oh god.
It's so crooked. It's so crooked. Shave this end. This is definitely not straight. Look, that's definitely not straight. Fix that. Look at his face. That's Alberto's face when he was grinding.
Oh look, it's straight now.
Nope, not yet.
Yes, it is.
Now it's a short shifter.
Marco, it's not long anymore.
Before wasn't a long.
Are you gonna polish it? Now it's a short shifter. It's a tired Big Boost. It's nighttime, you can take it off.
These are not glasses, these are safety glasses.
Well, they're dark.
I like them like that.
They don't like you like that.
You like how stylish I look?
It's horrible, horrible.
Dang, I think you just broken
I'm like holding the clutch the whole time and I didn't notice.
No lift shift.
Does the e-brake work? It's too close to the radio, dude.
Oh, it's great.
That's what I said.
Alright, wait, a little bit more.
That's so close. Why is everything so close?
That's
The
reverse.
closer, the better.
So I gotta tighten this. Or is this not tight? Now you didn't tighten the bolts.
I told you we had to go more.
No, this is just the bolt thingy for this.
You can put the drive shaft in now, right?
Nope.
No, I have to buy a thin wall 32mm socket so I can change the input shaft from 4 bolt to the M36 bolt. I can use the M3 drive shaft. So it's like, alright, first,
A thin sidewall, 36 mil? I have a 36 mil.
I'm driving a Miata.
Is he
Wait.
serious? Is he serious right now?
Wait, no, Miata have to be in second gear.
Is he serious right now, Marco?
That's really how it is. And you're gonna throw it.
Oh my god.
I don't even know when the wheel's straight.
It's not straight.
I'm turning the wheel.
Well, this Ebrake literally, whoop. So I can't even hold my thing on here. I can just do like Louis. Oh, fuck off!
What is that whole story about? I don't even understand it.
The radiator back with the electric fan, and then the worst part, I gotta do the wiring for the stand.
That looks horrible.
I hate doing wiring.
You're so far away, but so close. You could be done with this car if you have all the hardware in it.
Yeah. The only problem is that I get so tired, man. You have to do this all day, and then it's like, oh my god, I have to keep at night. And
What did you do all day today? One
Nothing.
shifting.
Nothing.
that was a very difficult shifter. You just don't have to. It's already stronger than factory, because factory goes sandwiched a little metal, sheet metal thing, and now it's bolted to an actual plate. That's a lot stronger. More work. That adds more to the list, and it takes longer to finish.
Mark, are you tired?
Yeah.
You tired?
Yes, I am very tired.
You're not
I gotta
tired.
go to work tomorrow.
You're not leaving.
Yeah.
What time you go to work?
I actually gotta be there early.
What time is early?
No, early.
What's early?
8:45.
Oh my god.
That's early, man.
I get to work at like
Good
7:30.
for you. We're two different people.
You're whatever.